Hello, it is that time of the year. It is time to start school. I'm so excited again for this school year. The buildings look great, and I saw a lot of you this past week and even on Sunday preparing your room. So again, really excited about the start of this school year. We did have a board meeting this previous evening, and I wanted to give you a quick update on it. First of all, under consent agenda, the board did approve bills totaling $6,323,233.75. This is about $500,000 less than what we approved the previous year, but as bills come in, depending upon the fiscal year, it's really well within reason. Under new business, we had a presentation of the virtual learning centers by Dr. McLaughlin and Doug Cowan from the Community Service League. We are really excited about the partnership that we're going to have this year with CSL. Whenever we have homebound services in the past, our homebound teachers would go to students' houses or potentially libraries to do these services. Now we're going to actually be able to provide these services at the CSL Center on 24 Highway. Number 2, under new business, we did have the approval of the tax rate levy for the 2016-17 school year. The tax levy will be $5.91.3 per $100 of assessed valuation. This is the same rate that we had last school term. Number 3, under new business, we had the approval to accept the bid for the Innovation Center Culinary Incubator Kitchen renovation. The reason we are doing this project is with our learning academies, we wanted to make sure that our students had a very professional setting in which they could do their cooking and such as part of the academy preparation. So it will be done here at Central Office as part of the Innovation Center. We had some minor remodeling that needed to be done to be able to accommodate all of our students. Number 4, under new business, we did have a quote to accept a bid for a 2017 Ford step van. This is for our nutrition services. This bid totaled $45,657. Number 5, under new business, was the approval for changes to Board of Education policies. This is customary at this time of the year. Again, this is the first reading. Whenever we have policy changes, it does take 2 readings by the Board of Education before it becomes official policy. Number 6 is the approval to accept a quote for safety and sanitation system service for nutrition services for the 16-17 year. We are doing this as part of a cooperative bid, and this is typical. We do this each year, and this is for sanitation services at our nutrition service sites within our schools. The final item on new business is the approval of the district tuition rate for the 16-17 school year. This tuition rate will be $10,184. This is a raise from the previous year, and the reason for this is, I'm sure you remember, we passed an operational levy last year to lower class size. So whenever you lower class size, our expenditures go up for basically close to the same amount of pupils, so therefore the average cost per student actually went up. So with that, that was our board meeting for the month of August. Again, I'm so excited for this school year, and again, thank you for all you do.